Mama Akwaba, wa frame Adwa searching Mesrel. Now wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusianfo Ghana Fubia His Excellency Nana Danko Kufado. Abon homode edia momo inti omo penasem e no mo buafu oman penida da John Dramani Mahame. Na de inti no mo kasa omo say eye His Excellency Nana Danko Kufado. Say or address a yoman penda da mahama, also man penida da kufo, sorry, man penda da mahama, ura mahama. Then so man penda da mahama, or address His Excellency na danko kufuadwa, not to a yampia, Jack Toronto nanunia, and your far kusi ha, and just say, and seme hunya, a yampia hunya, now you are stupid. We are voting based on economy stupid, and say, who can man penda da mahama eka. Then a Ghana fubi, say, wa obetwa teachers alawom nurses alawom okache youth ni se wunye magician we create job okra wondi watem obi a obebo no homodin SCC agenda 111 ama free education ede ye fence zipline drone aba ede nyama bebra aba no se wudi na platform bi aso na wudi no to na yampia na president bi te se wode ebe ye shame so mo ebe akofa waba nti nse mo de etuja.
If Akufo gets up, Yewura Mahama, he accords him all the respect, just as an adult should do. He accords him all the respect because he's a former president of the Republic of Ghana, for God's sake. Akufo has served 2 terms. The one that is labeled as arrogant is the one who just always minds his language when he speaks to the Ghanaian people. He addresses his own opponent, who doesn't regard him as a human being. When he addresses him as Yewura Mahama. Even our children will look at Akufo and say, oh wow, that is beautiful for our politics. But if Yewura Mahama gets up, stupid, by full way, our chiefs, our religious leaders, all of them are ignorant to even support this government. Everybody is stupid, and you think that you have the audacity to ask somebody questions and then they don't have any audacity to ask you. This is the arrogant nature that people don't see. This arrogant nature, he has already shown to the whole of Ghanaians. He told nursing and teacher trainees that if they want, they shouldn't vote him. He does not care. He told the Asante people that even if you construct roads with gold, they will not appreciate. And you know what? He turned around and told the whole Ghanaian people who were upset with his government that he's a dead goat. He does not care. This man is a dead goat. He has proven to you, he has proven to the whole nation that he is a dead goat and he's unconcerned. If you make a mistake of giving him this opportunity, that is when you realize that you've made the biggest mistake of your life. That is when you know as a Ghanaian that you've made the biggest mistake of your life. You see, he's showing us his arrogance even as an opposition leader. He hasn't yet been made the president yet. Now, as an opposition leader who has been president before and has sat down in the house for 8 years, is this the character he should be exhibiting on the screens? Our children cannot even look at him and be proud of our politics. When Akufo speaks, you can see the beauty of our politics and you can see that this man has decency in his language. John Dramani Mahama does not have that. Look, I regard myself to be an intelligent person and I regard myself to be a smart person. A person like John Dramani Mahama cannot lead me. He cannot be my president. It will be a shame to me. It will be an insult to my personality and my intelligence. Any Ghanaian who believes that they are smart and they are deep thinking, and then they believe in our culture and then believe in respect, should not even see John Dramani Mahama as an option. In the first place, he doesn't have good policies. In the second place, he doesn't have good character. You cannot go for John Dramani Mahama. It will be the biggest mistake.
Never be the regional House of Chiefs vice president. But Mama by TN region free Brunafo. Say, oh, Brunafo, American, I say, be a House of Chiefs, a National House of Chiefs, Greminia Bingoy. Gonna over 48 Paramonsis in Brunafo, 5 and Echo House of Chiefs. So you can imagine.
Yeah.
And they, yeti, Bunu East in Kuai 18, 5 in Echo. Send ya Hariaba. Yeti Ehono, be vice president. Now no ye kwa abatoso yi. Na me trimun who say me na me nua binum so na nako. Now I have won as the president of the regional house because of Ejuma Pa me here say vice president. Na sa na also dey tie. Ejuma Pa we here say vice president ntino.
Obeyama mpani.
Esre na nanom say enta wachi. And he insisted say na chiame fu ngu nsamfa nka ho. Say na nanom ma Dr. Baumia. And osre so no kra wa asumsem. And it was across I'm fununa obieka yekoshia ohene baako on the now senka na na kasa o tenase no o se me sori agina men tenase bibinti buo binti na sa buo no doctor mechiro mu behu oje mic na no se wo papa ne mama appointment 1966 Ghana Cocoa Board no ye board chairman abranti amani ho hancho minim bia na madrun kran na me just me hope nyina asa papa temasem na ofre me ono an the appointment letter chemensem nti me so me kurum am the appointment letter be shewonsem me lead campaign he called for t-shirts o hene no o see emre t-shirts we are shocked o see emre t-shirts no on fanya na djuma. That's the level because him o ba ye ho na wo ho ya bunu East ISF voter region oni ada bi asem we make wo ho enye play o something I've sat down to do opa ye research profiling all the 275 existing constituencies now 275 from near atumpopa ebesi ni ntumpon kra near atumpopa first 150 and this MPs ebe 130 and then yen 2.100 no MPs enu 20 oko region BM the most deprived constituencies ebe kasa had yen puntuo ni ha ahafo no de dodo na nya kwan enko school ahafo no de bakwa ne nye ahade ensu asem nye ahade apomudi asem nye no na yen dis ni na MP o
ye be NDC fo adi MP ache
na obekosa ahafo no so na bi kura MPP win order the Obabono Easter, the least developed areas, and then the baby NDC are transferred 32 years.
Wow.
32. But when they compare baby MPP ni bakakra, NDC ni baby, MPP, you see development. Mikai Mribina me was studio be a program discussion, and I'm afraid the then NDC national organizer, I'll be a chairman. Honorable Samuel for example. What do we be saying about? Yes, side of Bravo no said that Ben a Prof Mills be about campaign. That's all minia. Ye guso ye boabo ye ho ye baby bebre mo hono de say ye boy amo ye de nado abubum. Nti ye boy amo ye dia. I felt pain say ye fire nsa. Ampare unia Obabono Easter, Sene East, Sene West, Pro East, and Kintampo North, 4 constituencies where MPP leader. Pro West, na ye leader for the first time, ye the Pro West member of parliament from 2020 Bisine. Unia. The only time a region yenya asphalt entwemu region nko region foforo na part of the region to another part of the region samri that was our constituency no from Kintampo to Prime 103 kilometers your baby ho farmer kwan na so nsuo to every year can to minko Bandi see ye quota no vie to say Cocoa Road. Such a major road no omo ye Cocoa Road. Komo ya besi nyame ne eda na sese banyo anwie anko kese. Omo ye just about 30 kilometers out of 103. Then omo free government. Baby omo ye no. Baby o fam nso to every year nso no shirifa kwan no so. Ene bridge aye ne ho no. And the dying team ebroso bebre utwama who say yes is ongoing there na no nko ansa na bedu sa bridge no major bridges ayeye animu 2 actually 2 ansa na beto the major one by baby NDC aye we attendance every home but nay sa asphalt no from Kintampo to Prime 103 kilometers but the whole region asphalt na ewum ni free yene akomadan hye so afrancho saa betwam techima ya kosi ben kurumye ni bupe na say eko tamale the road from Kumasi to Tamale eno na na asphalt e wo Bono East but ne it will be say na no aye call prime my hene ono so ade akonwa no 49 years na kodwonya ako in fact yen kra President Rawlings time no na president of Bono Afro Regional Association is a member of the Council of State
49 years.
49 years. Ono so kure be din anniversary. Diane Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe ko. O se mi bi se sie